If you've ever watched someone chase a breakout above the highs and get trapped the moment volume fades, stay with me. I'm about to show you how I turned $1,981 of daily working capital into $696 in profit in just 13 minutes by reading Predictive Price Action instead of hype. Day trading doesn't have to be gambling. With predictive volume analysis, institutional levels, and asymmetric compounding, you can trade with confidence and structure. Hi, I'm Susie Phillips, and this is the Small Account Trick Challenge. So let's go straight to today's chart and unpack the trade. STI is a super nano with fresh news, high short interest, surging volume, and it had just broken the daily 50 EMA. Our Discord alert fired at 5:02 a.m. Mountain Time, and by 5:08 a.m., price reclaimed the 34 and 50 EMAs and punched through our Discord institutional level at $9.85. And that's where I entered, on a bull flag breakout at support. My stop was just $9.85, which is a 10-cent risk. My initial target was right here on this Discord institutional level. When volume expanded instead of fading, I trailed my stop, Discord level by Discord level, until buyers had lost steam. When price printed multiple new highs on declining volume between 5:18 and 5:20 a.m., I planned the exit and sold at $13.45 on the retest of this $13.50 high. Result, $3.50 profit per share, which was a 35% gain in just 13 minutes. That's predictive trading, not luck. Every single day, you see flashy traders with massive followers on YouTube buying through the highs like it's a race to Mars, then acting stunned when the chart rug pulls. They call it momentum. I call it guesswork. True momentum requires proof, predictive confirmation through volume and structure before you commit capital. Without that, you're not trading momentum. You're fueling somebody else's exit. Did you know that over 70% of nano floats that cross their daily 50 EMA with news fail unless volume expands through the next EMA stare? That's why we read volume as truth. It never lies, it never lags, and always reveals who's in control. If you've ever chased a breakout because you just knew it would go, that's not intuition. That's adrenaline. Try this. Before you enter a trade, write one line on your chart. Prove support first. It sounds simple, but it rewires your brain to wait for confirmation instead of emotion. That single habit can heal years of impulsive trading. Predictive confirmation beats reactionary impulse. Wait for support to prove itself. Volume is truth. Rising price with fading volume equals exit signal. Asymmetric resets protect capital and prove that skill scales, not size. Each EMA bounce is a checkpoint, not a green light. Discipline compounds faster than hope ever will. All right, let's light up that scoreboard. Today's STI trade added $696.50 to the truck fund, bringing the fund to $140,338. That means we're less than $10,000 away from our $150,000 goal, and we've done it in just 39 trading days since starting from just $513. But here's what most people don't realize. I don't trade that entire $140,000. That would inflate risk and destroy control. Instead, I use my asymmetric reset. Last week, I reset my working capital back down to just $500. And from there, I let each trade compound forward, which is skill proving size, one day at a time. Today's working balance was $1,981. And after today's trade, the reset capital is at $2,677.50. So that's what I'll have available to use tomorrow. The truck fund is the scoreboard. It shows the journey and the growth. The asymmetric reset is the engine. It keeps risk manageable and proves that predictive trading, solid risk management, and the compounding strategy behind it all can scale consistently without emotion. We've gone from just $513 to $140,000 by trading momentum stocks with structure and discipline. not FOMO and luck. And that's exactly what this entire small account truck challenge was meant to prove. If this breakdown helped you see price action differently, go ahead and hit that like button and drop a comment telling me your biggest takeaway from today's trade. That helps the channel more than you know. And be sure and share this video with a trader who needs real education instead of noise. And be sure and subscribe if you're ready for tomorrow's chart lesson. I upload free educational videos every day. And if you want to go deeper, be sure and join us while the truck challenge discount is still active, because when this small account truck challenge ends, so does the discount, and price will increase significantly.
So guys, if you're serious about leveling up your trading game and achieving a 95% win rate in your trades, join us today at MomentumStockTraders.com. And here's everything that you get when you join. You get live trade guidance with me. I walk you through the logic of every single setup every single day. You get our custom stock scanners and our pro charting tools to help you spot the really big moves before they even happen. You'll be part of an amazing private Discord trading group and community, and this is where the action happens. You get AI-powered alerts so that you know when things are starting to heat up. And you get those amazing institutional levels, not the retail zones. These are the real moves where the big money enters. You'll also get full trade breakdowns every day. So you're not just following, you're learning. You're learning the why behind every single trade. And best of all, you get real-time, one-on-one mentorship from me personally. That's personal, one-on-one support inside a tight-knit community of serious traders. And guys, this is not a copy my trade service. This is real education, real trade guidance, and real results. Because here's the truth, guys. If you're copy trading, you're just reacting to somebody else's click, and that's not a strategy, that's panic, and you're already in the game too late. Our edge? Predictive chart reading and volume logic that fuels the action, not reaction. That's our edge, profit, not panic. And the members inside our group are crushing it every single day with structure, clarity, and confidence. In fact, this challenge that you're watching right now, it's my personal mission to grow a $500 account to a brand new truck, one high probability trade at a time. So if you're ready to stop second guessing and start trading with confidence, head over to MomentumStockTraders.com right now. And if this video helps you, be sure to click the like button and subscribe for more free educational video content. And hit that notification bell, because that's the only way you'll know when I upload a new video. And remember, fuel your momentum, steer your focus, and drive it all the way home. And I'll see you in the next video.